Hi everyone, it's Joy from Standby to Fly. For those of you that are new to my channel, our oldest son works for major airlines, and so we have the opportunity to fly on those unsold seats. We have been going almost once a month for the last 3 years, and I picked up a couple of tips and tricks that might help you out. Hopefully you haven't heard them anywhere else out there. So first I wanted to show you my new Christmas sweater. Isn't it cute? Temu. So a couple of the things that I got from Temu that I was going to share with you are these great little soap packs. So when we go to other countries, a lot of times when you go to the restrooms, they do not have soap. A lot of times in the US, you go to restrooms and they don't have soap. So these little packs fit perfectly into my purse or my carry-on or my backpack. When I go to the restroom and I need soap, I can quickly pull out one or two and use them and know that I'm going to be clean and sanitized. So these are a great investment, not very much. You can see they're really thin, easy to carry around, and that way you're always covered. Another fun tip that I found is sometimes when we fly, we can be going to a hot place or a cold place or in between. So next month, knock on wood, we are hoping at the end of February for my birthday to go to China. Want to see one of the 7 wonders of the world and go see the Great Wall. So unfortunately, it's going to be between 20 and 40 degrees. So we are going to have to pack warm. Our second option, if we don't make China, would be to maybe go to Bali or Hong Kong. And of course, you know, Bali is between 70 and 80. So you have a huge difference of what you're going to wear. One of the fun, easy things that I have found since we travel in a backpack only, and so I always have to have a small, compact, multi-used items. One of the things I found are these great little turtleneck. So when I'm cold and I need a little extra, I can put this on. A lot of times I will always take my micro thin thermals with me. In case I get cold, I can always wear them under something and I can adjust. Another one is this knitted one, a little bit more warm. It just basically, you put it on first and then stick your shirt or sweater on. So I got them in a variety of different colors and also different textures. I figured, you know, for the 50, 60 and for the 20 to 40, hopefully will be a little bit thicker. Again, I got them on Temu. They're not very much. I have been impressed with Temu because I've had to return quite a few things, and really good time. You can either get it credit to your account, and this is not sponsored by Temu, credit to your account so you can use it immediately, and then you just take it to the post office or UPS, whichever you select, and they scan it in or print out a label and send it back. So just some little great tidbits, ideas that, you know, if you're a person like me who gets cold, I've even pulled one out and wore it on the airplane just because my neck was cold and it was a colder day and I just wanted that extra heat. So the next item I'm going to share with you is, I never thought about this before, but I always wear compression socks on the plane. Especially those international flights can be up to, our longest has I think been like 16 hours. So I am older and I don't want to have issues because I know that I'm going to be out walking around. So I found some merino wool compression socks that I got for myself. So because I wear my socks going and then I wear them coming home. So a lot of times I've washed them in between, but I know with merino wool, they're supposed to last more than one wear. So I was really excited about that. So for winter time, these are going to keep my feet warm, especially on those flights. It gets a little chilly, and in the winter time, it gets a little more chilly. So I'm excited to check these out and try them on our next trip. Like I said, if we end up in cold China, then they will definitely come in handy. Those are all the tips and tricks I have for you today. I hope you have a fabulous week. Please like and subscribe. Also, everyone who likes and subscribes this month, their name will go into drawing the 1st of March for this Delta One amenity pack. So it's only US based at this time. If you think it should be international, go ahead and comment below. I might have to fly there and deliver it or mail it. So thanks so much and have a wonderful day.